The reason why i-account kaMikey the Shopper Queen was hacked is because bakaposta ama-payment akhe we-Facebook all over Facebook. Untondura yenziwa loo nto. Even umuntu osebenza e-Pick n Pay or osebenza e-Shoprite akaposti i-payment yakhe ku-Facebook ukuthi bayibone abantu. Kodwa into le bangalizitha. Lo muntu oyekho i-Facebook yakhe umuntu omaziyo, like umuntu ahlala naye, maybe kungenzeka umuntu wakho ohlala next door or umuntu wakubo straight. Because nabo bafuna le mali, bayabona phela uyathenga, bayabona phela uyashopha, uyaswipe, wenza, yabona ingane yakhe ijabulile, iyakhuluphala, iyadlowa ingane, nayo iyadlowa sekamuhle than before. Hayi phela abantu babhekile, izinto azibhekile phela. Abathakathi basebenza overtime. They work overtime ukuthi bakuse phansi. Into engixaka ukuthi why mangahekhi ama-account abelungu ozohekha abantu bomnyama? Why umuntu omnyama azofuna ukubekela umuntu omnyama phansi? There's no way umuntu angahekhi i-account yomuntu omnyama. Ozothi uyifunani? Kodwa abelungu ba-focus ama-account. They don't hack abantu bomuntu omnyama. Hey, Shopper, my advice to Shopper, Mikey the Shopper Queen, don't post your payments. When you post uthi, hey, I'm approaching maybe road to 200k, ngizwile about the road to 200k followers manje. Nami I'm road to 200k followers on my Facebook, road to 700 subscribers on my YouTube. So yeah, into enjalo nje. Why abantu beso? Why beso abantu? Why beso? I don't know ukuthi why abantu beso, guys. Uthi uzohack umuntu omnyama, a black person hack. What the heck are you doing? Sorry for the pun. What the heck are you doing? Why, mara? Now shwapekela ukuposta ama-payments akho. I was warning umungane wami ngithi stop ukuposta ama-payment wenu ku-Facebook, guys. On Facebook, because babhekile ama-hackers ukuthi phela ngenzeka ukuthi uwathola i-offer. Khona abantu abasinika ama-offer bathi hayi, can I buy your account? Uthi hayi, when it's not for sale. Uqawuhle umuntu loyo wena uzovela just roll over nje athule kanjalo. Uthi okay, then azama ukuyihacka. Mina they tried to hack my account 5 times already. Molo wangithumela ama-email but someone is trying to log into your Facebook. Kabanga, why beso abantu abamnyama? Why beso? Yakana ama-account wenu, guys. Yelani ma-jealous. Yelani ma-jealous ngama-account wabantu. Yelani ba-jealous. It's very hard to build a social media platform, guys. It's very hard because uyazama by all means ukuthi uzama ukuthi build your account, but kunabantu abafuna ukucindezela. There are people who can comment but hayi congratulations but kunabantu abakwatile but I wish the account yakhe ngawa, I wish ama-subscriber ama-followers akhe angehla. Bakhona abantu kodwa abantu abakwata abanwabanga abantu. People are not happy, banomona, banohope, bafuna ukwenza sure ukuthi you fall down. Baseka abantu. People are silly, man. Bakhohlakele, balinhliziyo ezimbi. They are very wicked, man. Guys, so ngeke silwisana nokuthi ama-Nigeria kumele ahambe. Phinde silwisana nokuthi khona abantu abafuna ukuheka ama-account wethu. Guys, yekelani ukwenza lento eniyenzayo, guys. Yekelani, kunabantu abazama to feed their families ngama-account lawo. We are trying to feed our families. We are trying to survive. Ukuthi siphushe ama-gigs. Singafani nalama-artists lawo ukuthi sicela ama-donation. Siyazama lokho nge-social media. But kunabantu abafuna ukuyicindezela loo nto leyo phansi futhi. Why beso abantu? We are trying, siyazama. We don't have anything but siyazama ukuthi siphushe ngalokho okuncane sinako. Asinama-iPhone, asinama-camera, don't have facing equipment, but siyazama phela amasilinga kanjani. Siyazama to push, but there are people who are trying to bring us down. Guys, mina iyangikwatisa le ndaba le. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Ikhulule le channel. Zininto esazokhulunywa la lo Shopper Queen zombiza. Kuyakhonakala Shopper Queen mele ngimthole kuma videos ami. Sikhulume ngale ndaba lokuthi umuntu omnyama lona is a black person. Black person hating another black person. Why beso abanye abantu abamnyama mara? Siyazama, we are trying. But abantu bafuna ukucindezela. Hayi ngeke mantuthu, hayi. Hi guys, siyafunda basidlela umona. Hayi, subscribe guys, subscribe.